Hi everybody, welcome to the channel of Jindal Group. My name is Samya and I'm back with the masterpiece. That is Amaryllis, which is located in Karol Bagh, ROHTAK Road. You know why Amaryllis? Because its inspiration, quality and luxury comes together. Amaryllis is a home that defines your lifestyle. Amaryllis is earthquake resistant. It has double-heighted lobby, drop-off porch, high-speed elevators. Amaryllis also provides us with 5-star amenities such as mini theatre, restaurant, cafe, spa, salons, sports cafe, pools, etc. etc. What are the location advantages of Amaryllis? It is near to Sabar, Ghaffar, CP, Hanuman, Mandir and New Delhi railway station. It has 18 plus hospitals near to it, 10 plus leading bank brands and also 50 plus schools for your kids. So now let's talk about the USP of Amaryllis. That is the Skywalk, which is 1 kilometer long at 20th floor. It is also providing you with jogging tracks, skating area, pool, yoga center, kids play area, cafe and many more. Hi, now let's take a look towards the 4 BHK apartment which is 3740 square feet at the Amaryllis. First, the bedroom. Then a beautiful living and dining area attached with the gallery. A small powder room. Second bedroom attached to the gallery again. A pretty bedroom with a washroom attached, connected to the gallery both sides. Last but not the least, the master bedroom, connected to a big washroom with a wardrobe. Now let's go and see where we're gonna cook our food. That's the kitchen, connected towards the gallery with the washing area.